In this video, you'll learn how to use an Expedia discount code so you can save money on your next trip. We'll go through the process from the moment you start searching all the way to completing your booking with the lower price applied. First, open the Expedia website or app and start by searching for what you need. This could be a hotel stay, a flight, or a vacation package that bundles things together like flights and hotels. Take a moment to enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of travelers. Then run the search to see what options are available. Browse through the results and compare your choices. Look at the total prices, the cancellation policies, and reviews if you're booking a hotel. When you found the option that fits your plans and budget, select that booking. This locks in the details you'll be using with your discount code. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken into the booking flow. Here you'll usually confirm room types or seat types, add any extras you might want, and review what's included in the price. Continue through these screens until you reach the checkout page. This is where you'll see the full breakdown of your costs before you pay. On the checkout page, scroll carefully and look for the area where you can add a discount. Expedia typically labels this as enter a coupon or promo code or something very similar. This field may be slightly collapsed or in a section labeled for discounts or coupons, so don't worry if you need to look around for a moment. It's usually somewhere near the price summary or payment details. When you find the coupon or promo code field, click or tap into it and type your discount code exactly as it appears. Pay close attention to any capital letters, numbers, or special characters because the code has to match perfectly in order to work. If you're copying and pasting from an email or a website, double check that you haven't accidentally included any extra spaces at the beginning or end of the code. After entering the code, click the apply button right next to that field. This is the step that actually tests and activates the discount. Wait a moment for the page to refresh. Then look at the price summary again. If the code is valid for your booking, you should now see the discount reflected in the total, often with a line showing how much you saved. If the discount doesn't show up, check for common issues like whether the code has expired, whether it's limited to certain destinations or travel dates, or whether it only applies to hotels, flights, or packages. Sometimes a discount code can't be combined with other promotions, so make sure your booking meets the terms of the offer. Once you can clearly see that the discounted price has been applied, you're ready to finish your booking. Enter your traveler details, such as passenger names or guest names, and fill in your payment information as you normally would. Review everything one last time, including the new total with the discount, then confirm your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used an Expedia discount code and completed your booking with a lower price.